Make some lunch for my kids. In honor of AAPI month, I'm making a everything everywhere all at once themed lunch today. I made Hainanese chicken and rice in honor of Michelle Yeoh. She made history when she won Best Actress in the Oscars, first ever Asian American woman. She's so inspirational to me, so I dedicated the chicken and rice for her since she is from Malaysia. I added some scallion oil and hot chili sauce right on top of the chicken. And to accompany the chicken and rice, I added some cucumber slices and tomatoes. We can't forget about the lime. I think this is by far one of my most favorite lunches I've ever made. I made this red bean mochi, and to make it look like a rock, I grounded up some black sesame seeds and mixed that into the mochi. Of course, had to add the googly eyes. This lunch wouldn't be complete without a mini everything bagel. This food pic reminded me of Rakakuni, so he goes right inside the bagel. And now for the note I'm writing, of all the places I could be, I just want to be here with you. Everything, everywhere, all at once. Happy AAPI month. Be proud of who you are.